Hi, this is Ivan, and on this video we will install SSIS in our Visual Studio 2019. So in order for you to do this one, you must have Visual Studio 2019 installed in your machine. If you need any assistance on that, please go back to my previous video so you can check how to do that. Okay, let's get going. Okay, time to install SSIS in our Visual Studio, right? So let's open Visual Studio 2019, the one I just installed. Put here my taskbar. Let me open it again. Open it. All right, it's first time using Visual Studio in this machine, so it's gonna give you that for the first time. Okay, this is what you're gonna see. Okay, so with that, we can just come here and create a new project. Oh, I clicked the other one. It's fine. I can still just come here to File and do a new again. All right, new project. Let me try to find SSIS here. Just by typing here, none. I type integration, also nothing. Oh my gosh, what do I do? All right. I'm just gonna come to extension, manage extension, and a couple updates. Ignore that. So in online, I'm gonna search for integration. All right, that server integration, SQL Server integration, let's download that. That's gonna download whatever you wanna put in. So I'm creating this folder, SSIS, where I'm gonna put that in. Got the download going. And now I can open it. Let me execute that. I close this in Visual Studio. Let me also close Visual Studio. All right, this is the option. I want to do it in English. Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's go next. Is that going to Visual Studio 2019? Yes, that's the only one I have installed. All right, this type of error can happen. I'm not going to do anything right now. What happened is because Visual Studio was open, that process is probably not closed yet. So I'm going to keep trying here. You can always go to the task manager and close that process as well. But if I know that in a few seconds that's going to go away. Let me try once again. You may not even get that error. If you do, it's probably because of Visual Studio. So there you go. All right, so let's get this installed. Speed up the process here. And that is over. Almost. That is over. Okay. Setup complete. Let me close it. Let me open Visual Studio again and see if I see integration services there now. Okay. I can click on create a new project. Start type. Oh, it's already seeing that I don't even need to type, but I see all the projects that were included on it. All right, so I want to work with this one. Here I can define where I want to put the project. This is only for testing purpose, so let's just leave it as default. So create. And there you go. Here we got the control flow, the data flow, the SSIS toolbox, the parameters, event handlers, packet explorer. Everything should be there. I think now we just have to really get going and start having some fun.